What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. I have no idea what is in this box, but it came from Zach, from Zach Stuff, another channel that you guys definitely should check out. And that tells me that it came from the Pass Around group that I'm involved with. So by extension, whatever's in this box, usually when it comes from them, is from the manufacturer. We're going to get into that real quick. If you'd like your own Rainbow Lady of the Sea or a number of other things that can help you scratch that itch that you likely have because you're watching my channel, I have lots of links down in the description for knives and gear and maintenance tools and a whole bunch of stuff, as well as links to my Patreon. So if you'd like to get your hands on a sticker, support this channel, and gain access to my once-a-week Patreon exclusive content, the support would mean the world to me. Speaking of support, of course, I do have a Redbubble, so if you'd like to check out my Redbubble account, you can get your hands on a bunch of cool Metal Complex gear, including new stickers. I put a whole bunch of new stuff on the store and added a Rainbow Silent Night sticker in honor of Her Majesty the Rainbow Lady here. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into this box. How long did that take me? What are we at? Minute 12? That's not bad. Try to get all that self-promotion stuff done within a minute, right? I mean, you guys, most of you you want the meat and potatoes. You want to see what's in the box. So what do we got here? Okay. And there's a Zach Stuff sticker. Here you go. Make sure you visit Zach Stuff's channel. And what is this? Okay, well, it already sounds interesting. Thai black and red marbled carbon fiber and M390. Ooh. Oh, okay. This is from Damned EDC. I think this is a prototype. You guys remember, oh my goodness. Ooh. 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 That is nasty looking. I mean, nasty in a good way. I have never seen marbled carbon fiber with red. It almost looks like red. It looks like almost like a blood smear. Let's give this a shot. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Fantastic action. Right off the bat, I instinctively want to put my thumb up here because of how he's got that notched out. No double clutch, no lock stick, incredibly smooth. Oh, that's very nice. Look how thin that blade stock is. We have a nice thin. That's typical of Damned Designs. He likes a nice thin blade stock. We've got a very aggressive Tanto, but nice, and even for a Tanto, fairly thin behind the edge. Very, very cool blade shape. Ergonomically, this is just fantastic. Right off the bat, guys, I can tell you that this lock-in position right here where I want to put my thumb is just great. We've got some black titanium in that inlay there. Nicely rounded off edges everywhere. I believe that this is still a prototype, but my goodness, what a fantastic prototype. This is very striking. It's going to be very visually appealing to a lot of people, and for other people, it's not going to be their cup of tea, but this is great. Right off the bat, first impressions, great. I'm happy to have the opportunity to take a look at that here. I'll give you guys that deal again here so you can kind of see what's going on. The model is called the Yokai. I hope that I'm getting that correct. Comes with a nice card and, of course, Damned Designs cleaning pouch. And then I would imagine a case like this. That's really nice. Very, very cool. All right, guys. I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. I'm going to lay Zach's sticker out here real quick so you guys can see that. If you guys enjoyed this video, this unboxing, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.